So today we're going to turn a simple bowl from something like this to this. So let's get on with the turning now. So if you like it, please subscribe and also click the like button, as that will help me carry on producing videos for this channel. So I've just drilled a hole in the top so I can hold it on my chuck jaws. So let's put this on then and start turning this bowl. So just got a bow gouge and just go take spark away, a little more speed. So this is a piece of olive. It's not been down that long, so it's still quite wet. So as you can see, it turns very easily. So get a basic shape. Let's just stop and have a look at it now. So I've got the recess there just to what was drilled for something else to remove. But let's get the tool rest a bit closer now, and then let's finish this turning on the outside. So I've got rid of that part. Just need to continue round to the top, then stop to see if we've got it totally round or we've got any bits left on it what's flat pieces. Flat piece still just there, so we'll just turn that a bit more to get rid of that part. Just nice gentle curves through. Come off slowly because we're near the chuck there, so come off really slowly. And let's have a look at this now, see if we've got that flat remove, which we have. So let's go tidy up the base now. So take a cut through there. Just remove shavings, then you can see. Right, then I've got my chuck sizer here. So I'm just going to mark that for a sprig. So I've got that mark for a sprig now, so we can just take this away. That's got the sprig nicely defined. Just come in a bit close to that pencil line. Then just blend that in. Let's just switch cameras. Could just blend them two into one, and then we can just refine that. Look at them lovely fine shavings coming off. That's what a sharp bow gouge will do. This is going to mean minimum cleaning up with abrasive paper. Blending that in that top surface there. We'll clean it once we've turned it round. Just see a little mark just there, so just go to blend that in. Just little gentle cuts, that's all it's required. Just recess the bottom slightly. Make sure get rid of that pip. Just across there to remove that pencil mark, and then we're ready for turning around. So we removed it from the top now, and then we go to fasten it in the bottom. So just a tight grip in the jaws, then we can go back to the front view again. and then we'll start removing this. Same speed, same bow gouge. Just tidy up that front. No need to rush it. I say with this being wet wood, it turns beautifully. Look at them shavings coming off. Nice streamers coming off there. So just going down into the centre of the bowl now. Nice sweeping cuts. What you're looking for is a nice sweeping cut. You don't want to be stopping part way through. You want it nice and nice steady flow. Move them shavings when you can see. So again, not going mega thin. So another couple of cuts. And then once we've done a couple of cuts, we'd just blow them shavings out of the way. So again, final cut virtually for this side. So a lot slower. Just let in the tool. Let me move them shavings. Normally I'd complete that in one cut, but no, you could not see when I was coming down there. So again, just smoothing it out in the bottom. Just remove them shavings and you can see again. So just that tiny bit in the centre. Got rid of that pip. Now I've just picked up a negative weight scraper just to refine that inside. Again, just below centre, so we'll stop the lathe and just pull the tool rest up a fraction. With a negative weight scraper, you can keep the handle horizontal. No need to hold it at an angle. So just going in. Again, I'm not looking to remove lots of material. Them really fine shavings. That's down to a really sharp scraper. Just refining it to remove any lumps and bumps. And that is returning done. So this is wet, so it will dry out. I will put it in a polythene bag to dry it out, so it doesn't dry too quickly, and then give it a sand. So I can reattach it with the spigot I've got underneath, and then once it's fully dry, sand it and finish it off.